In this video, I'll be making fermented pickles. My ingredients will be cucumbers, a whole cucumber, a garlic, 4 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, and black pepper and dill. Two of the microbes involved in this process are Lactobacillus plantarum and Pediococcus cerevisiae. And then the purpose of adding the ingredients are salt helps to draw out the moisture from the cucumber, and then the dill, and the black pepper, they help to add flavor to the pickle, so it helps with the sourness. And then the metabolic processes involved in the fermentation of pickle is glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain. And then these changes help contribute to the product of lactic acid, acetic acid, ethanol, and carbon dioxide. The changes that occur during the fermentation of the pickle is the cucumber becomes softer. The salt, garlic, dill, and black pepper get absorbed into the pickle, and then the flavor becomes more sour from the lactic acid preserving the pickle. And then the oxygen in the container does not change. However, the pH, carbon dioxide, alcohol, and temperature all change in the container during this process. And then I think the experiment was successful. However, I think it will not taste exactly like a pickle because I did not have the mustard seed / seasoning to bring the extra flavor. The changes I would make to is adding vinegar and using more dill, because I think it would add to the sourness and make it taste a little bit more like a pickle. And then I will also use a mason jar to seal it off better than using like a regular pickle jar from a store. But other than that, I think the experiment was a success. And then here I'm just finishing off getting out the garlic cloves. So I'm peeling it off, trying to make sure I get all of the excess skin off of it, so that when I do add it to the water, that it doesn't have those little remnants floating at the top. And then what I did there was I poured out some of the water, the salt water, because I'm not using as many cucumbers anymore. So yeah, and then I didn't have enough room to fill all the cucumbers as well without the water overflowing. So here I'm just adding the rest of the cucumbers, and then in the next few ones I'll be adding in the cloves, and then I'll add in the pepper, and then the dill, and then I'll shake it up, and then that will be the end.